Master Civil Service Exam Math and Seconds. Hi, I'm Teacher G and let's solve this together. So I have here a problem for Civil Service Exam Math subject. It says here, Marie's flower shop has 5,624 red roses that they will use to create bouquets for Valentine's Day. How many red roses should the owner put in each bouquet so she will not have leftover roses? Is it letter A, 9, B, 8, C, 6, or D, 12? Okay, so paano nga ba natin sosolvein or isosolve ang ganitong klase ng problem? So we have different approaches or different techniques, but what we can use first is what we call the divisibility rule. So paano nga ba natin gagamitin ang divisibility rule? So this is the fastest and easiest that we can do. Although you can do a trial and error, pero mas madali kung ang gagawin natin is divisibility rule. So let's do it one by one. So let's start with rule for 9. So ano ba yung rule for the number 9? So if it's rule for 9, we have to check if a number is divisible by 9 if the sums of its digits is a multiple of 9. So ano ba yung sums of digit? Ano daw ba yung sum nito? Okay? So let's add 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4 equals, so 5 plus 6 is 11 plus 2, 13 plus 4, that is 17. Is 17 divisible by 9? The answer is no. So, ligwak, ganern. Okay, so let's cancel letter A. Now, let's check for rule for 6. So, paano naman yung rule for 6? So, it's the same. So, a number is divisible by 6 if it is even and divisible by 3. So, ganun pa din. So, 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4. So, this is 17. Is 17 divisible by 3? So, the answer is no. So, ligwak ganun ulit ang ating option letter C. And then, let's use rule for 12. For rule for 12, it should be a number is divisible by 12, and if it's divisible by both 3 and 4. So as we all know, sa rule for 6, nakita natin na yung 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4 is equals to 17, and it is not divisible by 3, therefore, it cannot be divisible by 12. So let's eliminate or iligwak natin ang option letter D. So ano na lang yung natitira sa atin? Option letter B, and that is the correct answer. Pero, ang tanong, paano ba natin malalaman kung yun nga ba ang tamang sagot? So, for rule for 8, a number is divisible by 8 if its last 3 digits form a number divisible by 8. Ano ba yung last 3 digits ng 5,624? That is 6, 2, 4. Is it divisible by 8? Yes. Why? Because 62 divided by 8, that is 7. 8 times 7 is 56. 62 minus 56 is 6. So, therefore, 64 divided by 8 is 8. So, 8 times 8 is 64. So, that's exact already. Okay? Therefore, 624 divided by 8 is 78. And meaning to say, the last 3 digits of the number is divisible by 8. That's why our correct answer is letter B. Alright. Nakuha nyo ba yon? I hope nakuha nyo yun. At kung nakuha nyo yon, itry nyo nga ito. Alright, that's it for this video, and I hope na may natutunan kayo, and good luck for future civil servants. Bye-bye!